very good experience for me. First time.
It's a privilege and an honor for me as captain of His Majesty's landing ship.
Now we have an extensive discussion with our European colleagues here on how we do address the root causes of the piracy so that relapse is not possible in the near future, and other benefits. We have been shown today here in this mothership the real information and the real picture of the piracy phenomena and how it's affecting and working, and how these forces are working on addressing that issue.
Europe relies on the trade that goes through the Bab el-Mandeb Straits. 5,000 ships a month pass through there. I should think 80% of that on their way north through there and up to Suez is going to conduct trade with Europe. If we don't have confidence in that route, then all of a sudden one of our key interests is affected. We need to keep the pressure on the pirates.
Not only for my own force, but we're also in contact with attack 13 April 2012 on the Canary Princess. We protect World Food Programme ships, we deter and suppress piracy, we protect vulnerable shipping, and we contribute to the monitoring of fishing activities off the coast of Somalia. 1,680 miles from the coast. What is the force at the moment? And the autonomous vessel protection vessel Lithuania, not the Baltic state anymore, also the air assets, custom operated by the Admiral. It looks like that counter-piracy over the last years is a successful approach by the international community operating over here. But it is a reversible thing. And if we go away, it will come back. And until Somalia is not able to control their own coastline with their own coast guard and their own ships, I think the international community have to be committed here in this area.
We can get the target. Ship.
Thank you.
Today it was an eye-opening experience for us, and it was a privilege and honor to be here and have all this information.